How do? My name is Andrew Hancock and I am a VMware technical architect from Yorkshire in the United Kingdom. I have worked with VMware since their birth in 1998, so that's been a quarter of a century now. I've been working with the VMware product catalogue. Some of my close friends say if you cut Andy in half, it reads VMware like a stick of rock from Blackpool Pleasure Beach. I have now written over 130 articles and recorded over 30 hours of VMware vSphere 7 and 8 videos for Experts Exchange, and received 40 Expert Exchange awards over the last 11 years working with the Expert Exchange community. I am currently the overall #1 point earner in the Hall of Fame. I am honoured to have been accepted into the VMware vExpert program since 2011, and I'm currently a VMware vExpert Pro for the last 4 years. How do, and welcome back to another Hancock's VMware half hour. But this is going to be another shorty. This is going to be less than 5 minutes. I wanted to show you, now that we've created our VMware vSphere distributed switch, it's very important that we actually basically maintain regular backups of our vCenter server database. Now, I previously showed you how to export the configuration of our VDS using the web GUI connected to vCenter server, but I wanted to quickly show you how we should be running regular backups of our vCenter server. So if we log into our vCenter server VAMI interface, which is port 5480, and we log in using root or our administrator at vSphere local username, and we select backup, and you've already configured your backup, it should be running on a regular schedule. But if you've not got it running on a regular schedule, and in the next video I'm going to do is how we update vCenter server again to the latest version 7.0 N or M. If we select backup now, and I just click use the existing backup location and username from the schedule, I need to put a password in, but it doesn't have to be the correct password, so I'm just going to fill out with a couple of letters, followed by start, and that's actually going to start backing up the vCenter server database to, and you can start seeing it back up there. So that's actually going to start backing up the actual configuration of our vCenter server database so that we can restore the configuration if our vCenter server should fail us. Okay, and that is going to complete 95%. So that's how we actually basically maintain and back up our vCenter server database in the event that we want to restore from a vCenter server failure. But I've also done another video, remember, where you can export the VDS as well. So belts and braces, ensure that you're backing up your vCenter server database and you're actually backing up your VDS configuration as well once you're making any changes. Okay, so I'm going to disappear. I'll speed this up in post, and I promise this isn't going to be any longer than 5 minutes. And I'm back. Okay, so there we go. Short one again on how to back up our VMware vCenter server database. Thanks so much for watching, and come back for more of these shorties. Thank you very much.